The Kia Sportage key fob from 2011 to 2013 models uses a CR2032 battery. To replace the battery, gently pry open the two-piece plastic case with a small flathead screwdriver or plastic spudger. Insert the tool at the seam and apply gentle pressure. If the case is stubborn, slightly heat it with a hairdryer. Once open, remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the pot of plus side facing up toward the key ring. Ensure the battery voltage is greater than 2.5 volts if the remote was not working. Clean the contacts with rubbing alcohol to ensure a good connection. Close the case, ensuring it snaps together securely. If the remote still isn't working after replacing the battery, check for corroded contacts and clean them with rubbing alcohol. If cleaning doesn't work, try reprogramming the fob by cycling the ignition key. Insert, turn to on, remove, and repeat 3 to 4 times. For stubborn cases where the fob won't open, use a heated plastic tool to pry it open carefully and reinforce with electrical tape if needed after replacement. Always use a 3-volt CR2032 battery. Ensure proper battery orientation with the positive side facing up. Consider rechargeable CR2032 alternatives to reduce waste. Remember to recycle old batteries responsibly. If DIY fails, dealer service may be required, but battery-related issues are commonly solved at home.